100 Years of Solitude, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, book summary. The secret is revealed at the end. 100 Years of Solitude is a captivating masterpiece by Gabriel Garcia Marquez that explores the rise and fall of the Buendia family in the fictional town of Macondo. Through magical realism, Garcia Marquez intertwines the mundane with the extraordinary, unraveling a narrative that spans multiple generations and encapsulates the essence of Latin American culture and history. The core premise centers around the Buendia family's pursuit of prosperity, plagued by cyclical patterns of love, betrayal, and loneliness. The novel traces the lineage from Jose Arcadio Buendia, the patriarch who founded Macondo, to the eventual decline of the family as they failed to escape their predetermined destinies. Each character grapples with personal desires and fears, contributing to the family's inevitable disintegration. One transformative insight from the novel is the idea of cyclical history, highlighting the repetitive nature of human experiences and mistakes. Garcia Marquez masterfully depicts how each generation of the Buendia family seems doomed to repeat the errors of the past, unable to break free from the patterns established by their ancestors. This concept serves as a reflection on the broader human condition and the difficulty of escaping historical cycles. Another significant theme is the solitude experienced by the characters, both individually and collectively. Despite their connections and interactions, each family member is profoundly isolated, struggling to communicate and understand each other. Garcia Marquez uses solitude as a metaphor for the human experience, an exploration of internal and external alienation that ultimately shapes their destinies. The novel also delves into the impacts of colonialism and modernization on Macondo. The arrival of new technologies and outsiders brings temporary prosperity but ultimately leads to the town's decay. Garcia Marquez critiques the superficial progress of civilization and its destructive impact on traditional ways of life, offering a poignant commentary on the exploitation of Latin America. One of the most memorable moments in the book is the mysterious rain that lasts for years, symbolizing the unstoppable cycle of despair engulfing the Buendia family. This magical event exemplifies Garcia Marquez's ability to blend fantastical elements with profound emotional truths, reinforcing the novel's themes of inevitability and existential struggle. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, hailing from Colombia, was a Nobel Prize-winning author known for his contributions to magical realism. His work is deeply influenced by his own experiences growing up in Latin America, as well as the region's political and social complexities. Garcia Marquez's rich storytelling and vivid imagination have cemented his place as one of the most influential literary figures of the 20th century. 100 Years of Solitude remains significant today for its exploration of timeless themes and its profound impact on literature and culture worldwide. In an era where globalization and technological advancements continue to reshape societies, Garcia Marquez's narrative resonates with the struggles of preserving identity amidst change and upheaval. An actionable takeaway from 100 Years of Solitude is the encouragement to acknowledge and understand the patterns of history and human behavior. By recognizing the cycles that bind us, individuals can strive to break free and forge new paths toward growth and fulfillment. Garcia Marquez's tale inspires readers to reflect on their own lives and choices, empowering them to create meaningful change in their personal and communal histories. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.